U.S. stocks closed higher on Monday, with the Dow just nudging into the green, the S&P 500 rising 0.4%, and the Nasdaq adding 0.2%. Investors by the end of the session shrugged off President Donald Trump's latest salvo to double tariffs on imported steel and aluminum to 50%. But Sam Stovall, chief investment strategist at CFRA Research, thinks that despite months of flip-flopping on trade policy, Trump this time should be taken at his word.
I think the 50% tariff placed on steel and aluminum is not just rhetoric, it's reality. It is something that is going to last, possibly through the entire Trump administration. Our Washington analysis political strategy arm believes that the administration is trying to do is to drive new capacity within the U.S. for both steel and aluminum production, rather than simply trying to use this as a negotiating ploy.
Shares of U.S. steel companies rose, led by Cleveland-Cliffs, which surged 23%. Other steelmakers also gained, including Nucor and Steel Dynamics. But shares of automakers dropped, with Ford closing down almost 4% and General Motors also falling by a similar percentage. The Nasdaq got a boost from shares of Nvidia as well as shares of Meta, which gained more than 3.5%. And shares of Tesla lost ground after the EV maker reported lower monthly sales for Portugal, Denmark, and Sweden.